Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nick's Toy Wash, and today we're doing a live video. Yes, live commentary, so no editing for me, nice and easy. We actually are going to unbox some of the cars I got in the last couple of weeks. I got one from the charity shop, and two actually from, one from a viewer and one from a friend of mine that I'm going to restore for her. So, starting off with the couples are going to restore for a friend. Starting off, we have let's take a look, we have the petrol tanker number 11, Earth. I like it. Let's adjust my light a little bit, just like that. Nice model. We have this it's called, ooh, there's a screw in this. This is not good. Let's leave that right there. We have the Long Life BP London bus, the double decker. We have a Ford. Ooh, There's a couple things missing here. I don't think we can get this grill. Ooh, that's gonna be a hard one. We have. Oh, this is interesting one. We have a number 21. I can't read it. It's under the axle. The Folden cement truck. I like these colors a lot. And last but not least, my personal favorite, we have the Mark II Jaguar. Missing the bonnet, missing... Oof. Yeah, should be a fun restore. Next we have this video case, which has some cars in it. And I see my favorite car in the world from my favorite movies. I was going to say something else. My favorite movies in the entire world, Harry Potter. We have the Ford Anglia, so I think we have a Harry Potter video coming in. Like it. We have, what's these? Ooh, a Leslie Jeep. That's a really small one compared to a regular Matchbox. Nice. Then we have, ooh, a lot of broken axles. That's not good. We have the Royal Mail, made in England, number 11. This is a really old one, I think. What's that? Not sure. Nice model. It's worth restoring, I think, but it's going to take a lot of effort. Next we have, ooh, that's also an old one. I think this is an MG, made in England, Lesney. Missing a tire, missing the driver, but lovely model. Having the Packard convertible, made in England by Lesney, I think. I like this car, missing the windshield and missing the driver. Back in the day, they all had drivers, I think. We have the Rough Super Atlantic tractor. Seems complete. We can restore this one really easily. And last but not least, this is not Matchbox, Bambros. I've heard of Bambros. Can somebody tell me what this was, Bambros? I think this is a combination of something. Actual crimped axles. Nice military Jeep. Missing the driver, but I think we can get that. Nice. Next, the big box from the charity shop. The last couple of weeks I've been going to charity shops and just throwing it in here so I can show you. Let's go with some new ones. So we have some new Hot Wheels. Some boring, you see, we have boring Hot Wheels. No, not boring, but you don't want to see those. Next we have, what is these? Majorette, is it Majorette? Let's peel it off. 50 cents. Yes, Majorette. That's something ugly. Why did I buy this? It's a Renault. Ooh, we have a Brodozer. Then we have, well, the elephant in the room. Is it a DEF? I'm not sure. Let's take a look. DEF car transporter. I like it. We have this Ford Mustang Matchbox. What's this? I cannot. 50 cents again. I can't. Made in China, so I don't think it's going to be a branded one. Oh, it is. No, it's not. Not a branded one, but a nice looking Corvette. Ooh, it has ice. Ooh. Nice. Next, we have a Ferrari Daytona. Missing part of the headlight. That's a shame. We have a Porsche. Missing a door. Missing the A-pillars. Both missing the front glasses. Ooh, we have a Batmobile, I think. Is it a Batmobile? Batman. Hot Wheels Batman. Then we have, oh, I like this one. These are actually, look, it's normal, it's damaged. Ooh, really like this one. I think there's another one of that in here somewhere. I cannot see it at this point in time. Another newer Hot Wheels. Ooh, I really want to restore this one, but it's missing a headlight. I think I can recreate that. Then we have two of these pink tractors. Also both a Matchbox. We have a, this is an older one, I think, 2011, not that old. We have this thing, ooh, a skull, didn't notice that before. It's the Bone Shaker, made in Malaysia. Is that the Hot Wheels logo? I'm not sure. Then we have this Ford Escort. What is this? I don't think this is another made in China one. MC Toys. Yes, I don't know what that is. We have a Majorette MG. Is it an MG? Not an MG. It's Morgan. Then this, Chevron. We have two Porsches, both with the rear trunk missing. A Corvette from Majorette, and ooh, I like this one a lot. We have the, how it's called, the Hot Rod Jaguar. So this has a, I think it's a V8, 1, 2, 3, I think it's a V8, a Jaguar. The engine is loose, the interior is, ooh, dashboard is really loose, and it's missing the windshield, but I think we can restore this one. We have a Lamborghini, not that important. Ooh, a Toy Story car. This is one of my favorite movies growing up, Toy Story. Another newer Matchbox. I think there's so, oh, here it is. So with this, the other one I was talking about, it's normal and it's damaged. Love it, like it. Then we have the Dragster. Ooh, I really like this one. A newer Hot Wheels again, 2000 and it's not on the base. A Majorette Mercedes fire truck. Another Hot Wheels with the engine missing. Some Batmobile thing, I think. Holding heat. No, it's just a nice. Ooh, we have a Wrangler, I think, a crawler. Actually, crawl with these, and not really with these, with a 1 in 10 scale Bronco and 1 in 10 scale Jeep. I forgot the name. Cherokee, not Cherokee. Wrangler, I think. We have a Ferrari. Ooh, I can make this into Hot Rods because it's missing too much to restore, but I can probably make this into a cool Hot Rod. Then we have Optimus Prime. From Hot Wheels, nice. I think we have a couple more trucks. Here's one truck and here's a truck. Nice. Newer Hot Wheels, not that important. We have this Matchbox. Well, it's been painted lovely. Police car. We have... yes. A Bugatti Veyron. And a Ford Model A, I think. Yes, Model A Hot Rod, missing the grille. Next, a IROC Z Camaro. I really love these cars. We have a Firebird with a door missing and another newer Hot Wheels. A Ferrari 456 GT. Bent A-pillars. Someone stood on it, I guess. And bent... ooh, wheel missing. Another Camaro. And a... what's this supposed to be? Peel it off. It's a Ferrari BB512. And last but not least, one of my favorite from this box. I think it's a Tipex. If you smell this, it really smells like Tipex. That's concerning. But this will make for a really fun video. I know. Sudden change of scenery, sudden change of light. It's horrible. But when I was recording the last bit, I just noticed one more box I'm going to show you right now. I already filmed the outro, so this is right in between the video. So first we have this. It's a Hot Wheels. They're all Hot Wheels. We have the Hot Bucket. I say that and I immediately... oh, it is still a Hot Wheel. We have the Volkswagen SP2. A newer Chevelle, I think it is. Then we have not one, but where is the other one? Where is it? It's gone? It left the building, I guess. Oh, there it is. We have two of these McDonald's dragsters. Next we have a car I had since I was 5 years old, I think. No, that's not possible. When I was really small. We have this funny car dragster. Next we have a models of yesteryear Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. Really nice, really love these models of yesteryear. Next we have a twin mill and a horrible a Volkswagen. I think this is a reproduction, can't see. Next we have this beautiful looking Majorette Corvette and a silhouette. I think I have another one of those somewhere. There it is. We have two silhouettes. Really love these models. Next we have this, how it's called, the Heavyweight or something like that, and the Hudson police car. We have an engineless neat streeter I guess. Nice model. We have the split an image. There it is. A custom, I need to remember these names. Custom fleet site. Really enjoy this model. I need to restore this really soon. Then we have a Lola GT with a missing wheel, but I think I can fix that. And we have a custom Eldorado, one of my favorite all-time cars. Next we have the Tri-Baby and the, I have no idea, a van. Then we have the Double Vision. You have a Mark 1 Golf GTI from Majorette. I think this is a Hot Wheels, yes, a Lotus Esprit. Is it Esprit? No, Lotus Project M250. And the last two is again one of these damaged cars. Why won't you? Is there a button somewhere? I'm not going to break it. And last but not least, we have this Ford MK4. So if you enjoyed these unboxing videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and hope to see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.